Imagine waking up every morning knowing you will leave work by 4 or 5 p.m. Enjoy long lunches, take weeks of paid vacation, and still have universal health care and social benefits waiting for you. Sounds like a dream life, right? But here's the strange part.
Many Europeans live exactly like this, yet they constantly worry about money, future security, and rising costs.
Now imagine the opposite. Americans work longer hours, take fewer vacations, and live with higher financial risks. Yet many feel more optimistic about earning, saving, and growing wealth. So, the real question is, why do Europeans work less but stress about money more? And what does this hidden reality say about modern life, freedom, and financial security? Stay with me, because the answer is more surprising than you think. Before we go deeper, if you enjoy real, honest conversations about money, work, and life that most people don't talk about, make sure you like this video and subscribe to Financial Reality. It really helps the channel grow and allows us to bring you more content like this. All right, now let's get into the real story. On paper, Europe looks like paradise. Shorter work weeks, strong labor laws, generous holidays, paid parental leave, free or low-cost healthcare, and social safety nets that Americans often dream about. In countries like Germany, France, the Netherlands, and Scandinavia, working more than 40 hours a week is rare. In fact, many Europeans work closer to 32 or 35 hours. They value work-life balance deeply, and culturally, working too much is often seen as unhealthy, not impressive. But behind this calm lifestyle, there's a quiet anxiety that rarely makes headlines. Many Europeans feel financially stuck. Salaries grow slowly. Taxes are high. Housing is expensive. Energy prices are unpredictable. And while basic needs are mostly covered, the idea of building significant personal wealth feels almost impossible for many people. Let's talk about income first. In most European countries, wages are stable but limited. A middle-class professional may earn enough to live comfortably, but not enough to dramatically improve their financial situation. Raises are small. Job hopping doesn't always lead to big salary jumps. And culturally, talking about money or asking for higher pay can even feel uncomfortable.
In the US, it's very different. Americans work longer hours, yes, but there's also a stronger belief that effort can lead to financial growth.
Promotions, bonuses, side hustles, and investments are common paths. Even though this system comes with risk, it also creates hope. Hope that next year can be better than this one. In Europe, that hope often feels capped. Now let's talk about taxes, because this is where the stress really starts to build. Europeans pay high taxes, sometimes more than 40 or even 50% when you include income tax, social contributions, and value-added tax on everyday purchases. While these taxes fund healthcare, education, and social services, they also reduce take-home pay significantly. So even if someone earns a decent salary, what actually reaches their bank account can feel disappointing. And when inflation rises or costs go up, there's little room to adjust. You can't easily work more hours. You can't easily earn much more. And saving becomes harder than people expect. Housing is another major source of stress.
In many European cities, buying a home feels out of reach for young people.
Prices are high, wages are flat, and mortgage rules are strict. Renting is common, but rents are rising fast, especially in cities like Paris, Berlin, Amsterdam, and London. Owning property has traditionally been a key way to build wealth, but for many Europeans, that door feels half. And when people feel they can't own assets, long-term financial anxiety grows. Now let us talk about something that sounds safe but creates a different kind of stress. Social security. Europeans rely heavily on government systems for retirement, healthcare, and unemployment support. This provides comfort, but it also creates dependence. Many people worry quietly. Will the pension system still exist when I retire? Will taxes go even higher? Will benefits be reduced as populations age? Europe has one of the oldest populations in the world, and fewer young workers are supporting more retirees. This imbalance creates fear about the future. even if today feels stable. In contrast, Americans are forced to think independently about money. Retirement accounts, investments, and personal savings are necessary, not optional. This is stressful, but it also gives people a sense of control. If you plan well, invest wisely, and earn more, you can change your future. Europe offers safety, but sometimes at the cost of flexibility and growth. There's also a cultural difference that matters more than people realize. In many European societies, standing out financially is not encouraged. Being too ambitious can even attract criticism. Stability is respected more than risk. Comfort is valued more than expansion. In the US, ambition is celebrated. Trying, failing, restarting, and aiming higher is part of the culture. Even though it leads to burnout for some, it also keeps the belief alive that tomorrow can be better. Another hidden factor is consumer prices. Energy, fuel, and groceries often cost more in Europe due to taxes and regulations. When everyday life feels expensive, financial stress increases, even if healthcare and education are covered. And then there's the psychological side. When your lifestyle is comfortable, but your financial future feels fixed, stress becomes silent. It's not loud panic. It's a constant background worry, a feeling that you're doing everything right, yet not moving forward. This is why many Europeans feel financially anxious despite working less. Their system protects them from falling hard, but it also limits how high they can climb. Now, here's the part most people don't expect. Americans envy Europe's lifestyle. Europeans envy America's financial opportunity. Both systems have strengths. Both have flaws. And neither guarantees happiness. The truth is, working less does not automatically remove money stress. And working more does not guarantee financial peace. What matters is balance, flexibility, and the feeling that your efforts can actually change your future. This is the real financial reality that rarely gets discussed openly. And this is exactly why conversations like this matter on Financial Reality Offical, where we talk about money the way real life actually feels. As we get closer to the end, I want to hear from you. Would you rather work fewer hours with strong social support but limited financial growth? Or work longer hours with higher risk but more opportunity? There's no right or wrong answer. And that's what makes this discussion so interesting. If this video made you think, please share it with someone who loves deep conversations about money and life. And don't forget to drop a comment below with your thoughts. Your comments help this video reach more people and keep these conversations alive. Thank you for watching. Thank you for supporting Financial Reality.